right, it is Sunday, the final day of Gen Con. So some reference here, I'm normally not here on Sunday. I usually leave Sunday morning because I've got a long drive back home and I have to work every Monday morning. It's just how it goes for me. But this year I'm saying, if you can hear, last night, Saturday went great. My voice is very gone between yelling at Card Holla, going to the Gen Con dance and having a great time. Yeah, my voice is quite gone. But I'm going to talk today and get through this with you. Sorry if I cough a little bit. Literally, my voice is gone. But anyway, last day of Gen Con. I'm going to be here for a few hours this year because I got a few things that I'm wanting to do. And there's been a few Gen Con staples that over the course of the weekend I've been so busy I haven't got to yet. So I'm going to try and get to them today. We'll see how it goes, but that's my goal. Very sad to see. It looks like one of my goals is actually going to be for naught. Oh, no, they're here. Never mind. Okay, I'm at the block party and I thought Island Noodles wasn't here for the last day, but I see them. I was looking in the wrong spot. Okay, that's good. I haven't had Island Noodles yet. I can't come to Gen Con without having Island Noodles. I've not tried the beer yet, and I want to try the beer. I collect the cans. I've got the cans at home. I got to get that. I want to show you guys the stadium. For those of you who didn't tune in, I did a live stream the other day where I walked the exhibit hall and I also went into the stadium and showed you guys everything here at Gen Con. So if you want to watch that, you can. But I also want to show off the stadium in this vlog here a little bit for you. So I'm going to go to the stadium, get some shots and all that. Well, right now, to get the day started, I'm actually headed to the studio room, Gen Con TV on Twitch and YouTube. They do an interview series called Checkpoint where they get people and ask them like, hey, how was Gen Con? How's it going? Blah, 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 right? Well, today is my day to finish Gen Con. I'm going to be on there doing an interview, telling them how my Gen Con went, how everything was. So I've got to get there first. After that, I'm going to go in the exhibit hall, pick up a few last minute things, show you guys everything I just told you, and then probably get out here and head home. But it's going to be a great final day of Gen Con. I hope everybody has had a great time. I know I have. So let's get to it. Let's get this last day started. All right, so as you can tell from that line right there, the convention center here has a business center, and it is, you can do anything there as far as, print copies, whatever, things like that, but it is also a FedEx UPS site. So a lot of people on this final day, they start to load their cars, they start to get everything ready, they load their carry-ons for their planes, and they go, oh no, I bought too much. So they come over here to the business center and they ship some stuff home. So it's awesome that they offer that, but yeah, so obviously you need to plan your stuff. I want you to get your stuff back home for as cheap as possible. But if you need it, it is there. If you buy that one extra game that just won't fit, you can use that to ship your stuff. So it's very nice to have, but I hope you end up not having to use it because everything fits. But it's there. All right, so it's nice and wet and rainy out. For any of you who don't know here at Gen Con, yesterday I was talking about how at the costume contest that tornado warning kept going off. Well, when I got out of it, come to find out that it was actually pretty insane. We didn't get to experience it, if you want to call it that, because of everything that we were in the costume contest, but I started seeing, once we got out, all of the videos of like burst pops, and like the convention center actually had a leak in its roof. So I think it was Tycoon Games actually had water coming down on their booth. Thankfully, they were able to get everything taken care of. They saved as much as they possibly could. But yeah, it was absolutely insane. And like everybody was having to be brought in from outside because it was so crazy and just, the weather and stuff. So for safety, they were getting everybody inside. So obviously the corridors are jam-packed and everything. From what I've heard, though, not just from the Gen Con staff, but also from the attendees, is that everything actually went very smoothly. That the Gen Con staff and volunteers jumped into action, got everything taken care of, and even though, some stuff got damaged, some things unfortunately happened, it's, it couldn't be helped. Like, things like that are going to happen, but it's how you, it's what you do when it happens is what matters. And from both attendees and staff, I heard that everybody jumped into action. All the attendees were calm and not upset about what was going on. Everybody understood that it couldn't be helped. So, Gen Con experienced some adversity and, everybody came through and stepped up when it mattered. So I think that's really cool. Also, last day of Gen Con, this is when all the cleanup starts. Right here is normally where the big balloon man outside is. I believe it's Cryptozoic, the big balloon mech monster thing is outside. They've already taken it down. That might also have something to do with the tornado warning and everything, or a hurricane warning. That also might have something to do with that. So I don't know, but regardless, it's gone, which means, Gen Con cleanup has begun, and, Over the course of the day, they'll start to tear down. On Sundays, if you don't know, the block party and the exhibit hall close at 4 so everybody has time to shut down their stuff, and the exhibitors and stuff can get ready to go home themselves. Even on Sunday, will call is in full effect. Sunday, Saturday typically is when the locals come to Gen Con, because they can just walk right over and they can enjoy their weekend here. So even on Sunday, will call is in full effect. But yeah, these guys at will call have been doing a great job all year. They've really got it down to a science. I've heard so many people tell me that this might be the best will call year they've ever had, that they've gotten through it incredibly quickly, which is super cool. I love that that's happening so people can get to the fun as fast as possible. Sorry, still losing my voice. I did want to give a shout out here for people who need to know that will call is right here in this hall. If on the forklift coming, don't hit me. For those of you who may have bought generic tickets that you need to return or something like that, on the final day, if you have $20 left in generic tickets and you would like to return those, you can. Will Call's over here. If you go a little bit past Will Call, right over here is another place that looks very similar to Will Call, except this is customer service. You can go to customer service and you can get a refund on your generic tickets that you purchased. So just come over here on Sunday if you have some left over. It's really cool that they offer that, because it allows people to buy generic tickets to have on them just in case they need them, but you're not forced to keep them if you didn't use them. I think it's really cool that Gen Con doesn't force you to keep them. You spent your money and it's gone. They will let you have that safety blanket of generic tickets, then you can return it. It's really cool. Yo, we ran into Zazu.
Here I am.
How's it going, man?
It is going great. I still have energy, and it's Sunday, so
Really?
that's unheard of.
You're doing better than me.
Yeah.
What's your average sleeping like? I think I'm getting about 2 hours a night. It's funny, I'm the Gen Con advice guy, and I should do better.
I'm getting 3 to 4.
Okay,
3 to
that's
4.
pretty good. Yours is hopefully due to staying up gaming, right? Like you play some
Absolutely.
games.
I'm not editing all night and working like this guy.
I'd say I'm
playing.
busy the whole night. Well, it's also I start late, so like I'll go out and have fun and party in a bit till like midnight. So I don't really get started till midnight. So it's also kind of my fault. So I have to take some blame.
Hey man, live your life.
Yeah.
I respect it.
I'm glad you've had a good time. Anything big from Gen Con that just like stuck out to you?
It was crazy.
Yeah?
The tornado warnings going on, that was hilarious. You could see all the people that had no reference to this area of the country, and they were freaking out, and everybody that was local was just like, yeah,
we're
all right,
fine.
We're gonna keep playing
We're
games.
chilling.
So that was hilarious.
The number of memes and stuff that I've seen on social media has also been hilarious.
The memes are crazy.
Yeah.
Dungeon Crawler Carl, everything is crazy.
Yeah. The D&D tower.
Yeah. And
Wow.
so many good games, and I don't even do TCG, but everybody's like, yeah, this is
And
it.
like the release of the new Naruto one, like
Naruto,
everybody's freaking out about
the
that.
Hobbit stuff. So
the Hobbit
I had
stuff.
people educating me on TCG. I'm not gonna get into it. I can't do it. I can't do it. It's too big of a commitment. But
I'll just stick to collecting my Pokemon cards, but that's all I'll do.
you go.
Just collect
There you
Pokemon,
go.
that's all I'll do.
and there are limits,
Yeah, well, go follow Zazu, all of his stuff. He's part of the content creator team too, and you'll always see him at every convention. 'Cause I don't think I've ever been to a convention that you're not at. Everyone I've ever been to,
I've never been to a convention that you're not at. So
Well, that's fair. So, brother, everybody will see you next year, or at least at the next convention.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, dude.
Like and subscribe to this guy because he's a man.
All right, guys, check it out. I found Mark. Potter Plays on all the socials and everything.
Well, hi.
We are here at Gen Con, and
Get hype!
that's my boy right there. He is so much louder than me. We were trying to yell for someone earlier, and I yelled with my voice gone. Wasn't happening, and he just made sure the whole con heard us.
Everybody look, I'm like, hello, I have arrived.
Yeah, he's such a
Yes.
he's such a calmish natured person, but then the moment he wants to turn it on, he turns it on.
I've told you before, there is no turn on. That's just there.
That's fair. Look, but this is his first year on the content creator team. I think he did great. You guys probably saw him on all the socials for Gen Con. Everybody has been asking me, hey, that blue-haired guy. Be like, yeah, that's just
blue
Mark.
hair?
Yeah, that's Mark. We'll love him. But dude, I think you did a great job this year. How was it?
Okay, I mean, yes, I'm going to say it was hype because that's what it was. It was the best Gen Con yet. And next year is the 60th anniversary, and it's going to be even more hype.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I love it. Dude, I think you did a great job. I hope you had a great year. And, next year's Gen Con will be here before we know it, and we'll work together again. It's going to be awesome.
I can literally not wait.
Let's go.
All right, well,
All right, so I've been making some amazing new friends this year, and this year I've hooked up with David here, and we've really hit it off. Tell us what you do, dude.
Yo, so my name is David. I'm from Chicago, and I have an organization called Beats, Boards, and Brushes. It's a nonprofit that's dedicated to merging hip-hop, board games, art, technology, you name it, it is there. I love it.
I love all of your stuff. This man is so passionate about what he does. I've heard him telling people about it and then showing them the stuff that he's done in the past. I love everything that he's doing. Like, he's got a grind to him. He's passionate about it. He wants to see others succeed. That's something I love, is when, like, you're really lifting others up. And, like, I really appreciate all the love you've shown me.
Yo, man, the love that you have, the passion that we have between this is like, we got to share this stuff, right? Like, it is it's the gateway drug of getting into your passion, getting into hobbies. And when y'all see this space, you find tribe real quick.
Oh, yeah.
You find your people, right? Like, we find out that, like, this is the place where you get to know that you're not alone, and you get to, like, hang out with other people that think just like you. It's the best feeling in the world, man.
Yeah, that mindset is what people bring to Gen Con, and, like, that's one of the reasons it makes it so special to be here, and, like, why all year round I look forward to this, and the moment I leave later today, I'll be thinking about next year.
Yeah, it's all about how do I get to the next year?
Yeah.
And all the friends I made, right?
Oh, yeah.
All the tools, all the resources, all the connections, and then, like, how do I make sure I don't just, like, see you until next Gen Con,
Right.
but we level up next Gen Con,
100%.
right? Like, we're there, we've, like, leveled up, we're doing something different,
Yeah.
bolder, fresher, and inviting other people in to be with us.
Absolutely, I love it, dude. It's been an absolute pleasure to meet you this year, become friends. Like, I can't wait for everything we're going to do together in the future, but, man, I appreciate you.
Yo, next year I'm wearing my bucket hat.
Let's go,
You know,
baby.
I'm wearing my
Yeah.
bucket hat. Let's go, let's do this.
All right, sadly, let's take one last trip around the exhibit hall, look at everything one last time before we have to head home. It's very bittersweet because we don't want to go home, but if we don't go home, that doesn't mean that we didn't get to spend the time here. So I had a great time. It was wonderful, but I'm going to go look at things one last time. And it comes to an end. Goodbye, Exhibit Hall. You were wonderful. I picked up some great games. I can't wait to show you guys my haul when we get back home. It was wonderful. All right, so before I go, I'm going to take you guys into the stadium. I just realized I did a live stream the other day where I took you guys into the stadium along with me, but I haven't put it in the vlogs yet. So I'm going to hurry up over here and show you guys the stadium. For those of you who don't know how to get here, if you go down the long hallway that takes you to the block party, there's escalators. I'm going down them right now. And you go down those escalators, it takes you into a tunnel that connects you directly to the stadium. In that tunnel is Maker's Market. There's more booths down here for you to check out, so I'm going to show you those booths, and then we're going to head into the stadium.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Look at it. Middle of the stadium, gamers playing games. Look who we ran into. Ducky, Board Gaming Gators. This man is fantastic. So for those of you who don't know, we ran a giveaway on my channel. I launched a new merch shop. People were buying the bucket hats, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff. And this man stepped up to the board and said, hey, I want to support you. I'm going to do a giveaway. Somebody can get a free piece of merch, and we're going to give them a game.
Sounds like a plan.
Dude, I really appreciate you. That's fantastic. So we just pulled a name, Noah Trimble. Thank you so much. You bought some merch, and I know who you are. You've been a big supporter of mine. You've been watching for a while, and I'm excited for you to win this. We'll get in touch with you, and we'll figure out how we can get everything to you, and we'll go from there.
Pick what you want.
Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, the fact that you're willing to do this just shows how much love you've had for me, and I just can't thank you enough.
You like family.
That's right.
Like the little annoying brother you don't want, but you got.
That's what I'm here for. But hey, be sure you check out his channel, the Board Gaming Gators. This man is on the come up. He just started, what, was it earlier this year or was it the end of last?
4 months.
4 months ago. And you're what, you picked 1,000?
I picked 1,000 Thursday.
Oh, congrats. So big shout out to him. Go to his videos, congratulate him on 1,000, subscribe. He's on the come up. You're going to pass me for long, I know you are.
I think after this week, you're going to be about double.
We'll see. But hey, thank you again, brother. I appreciate you.
Much love.
Yeah. All right, we are officially done. We are on our way home. Gen Con 2026 is over for us. Heading to the car. We've got a 6-7 hour drive home. If you watched early in my videos, we have no air conditioning. It went out in our car, so we get to drive the whole way with no AC, and the car is full. We have bought and packed so much that the car is absolutely crammed full, so we're going to be huddled on top of each other with no AC for hours, but it's okay. We're going to make it. Gen Con was worth it. Gen Con was great. I got to meet so many of you, and it was wonderful beyond belief. I got to, take pictures and say hello, and I had some memories that'll last a lifetime. I love all of you that, support me and, show me love, and I just want to show it back. So yeah, I launched a new Discord channel. If you're not in it, the link is in the description and also on my channel. Join it. That way, all year long, outside of Gen Con, we can hang out and talk and have a good time. But yeah, thank you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Gen Con, thank you for having us. Thank you for allowing me to work with you so closely. It's been wonderful. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the channel very soon. I have tons of content coming after this, tons of post-Gen Con coverage. But I will see you in person next Gen Con. Bye, guys. You have to. You've helped me. Okay, we made it home. Everything's a mess. Hi, Grace. Say hello to people. No, they're over here. No, Gracie, they're over here. No, they're here. Okay, Gracie says hello, but we made it home safe. Mia, come here. Ugh. I'm home. Say hello. Say hello. We're home. Gen Con was fun, but we made it home. Say hello. Say I missed you. Oh, Gen Con was fun. We're home. Ugh. Now it's time to start cleaning up all the mess. But appreciate you. We'll see you next year.